Hi there, it's Sandra here from Create in Spain, and today's card is a very simple one. You start off with a plain base and then we have this front panel. Now what I've done is I've designed a frame piece, which is this yellow pearlescent card here. It's on a straightforward black background, and then I have created an inside border, which in this particular case I've done in gold. And what I'm going to do is to stick this on here, but it's not going to be stuck on in quite the way you would expect. This is what I class as an emergency card. When you suddenly realise you need a very quick card for something. It could be any sort of occasion really, but you need a quick card and you need it to be simple to put together, or ones that you can make in advance and then just change the sentiment to suit the occasion. I am going to put this like so. There we go. So now I have a modern looking card, and I can put a sentiment on it this way, or if I wanted to, I could put a sentiment on it that way. It's just something a little different. It's suitable for the guys as well because it's not too fussy, and you just choose a nice large sentiment and add that when you're ready to do it. And of course you can always prop your sentiment up on foam pads as well. So that's it, really quick, really easy, and just a little bit different.